Hello everyone, this is Yogita Chandrakant Patel. Friends, I welcome you all in Prakash Parva English Learning YouTube channel. Friends, today we are going to learn very important writing skill topic. It is letter writing. Letter writing. Letters are of two types, formal letter and informal letter. Formal letter contains complaint letter, letter to editor, job application, leave application, placing an order, booking, such type of letters. And informal letters contains general letter and condolence letter. This is the question number 5, letter writing in your activity sheet. It is for 5 marks. And here options are given to you. You can either write formal letter or informal letter. And here are some things to remember while writing a letter. Letter writing with option will be given, means formal and informal. These two options you have given and you have to choose any one of them. While writing a letter, emotions, opinions should be well expressed through proper words. Letter should be written in block format only. All the components of the letter should be aligned to the left. Students should use the given information, means points are provided to you and you have to use those points while writing either formal or informal letter. And friends, you have to finish this question within 15 minutes for the good time management. And here is the marking scheme. In formal letter writing, the marking scheme is sender's address and date, half mark, receiver's address, half mark, subject, half mark, main body of the letter, 2 marks, subscription or closing, half mark, grammar, 1 mark. In this way, it is for 5 marks. And the next option is A2, informal letter writing. The marking scheme of informal letter writing is sender's address and date, half mark, salutation, half mark, main body of the letter, 2.5 marks, closing, half mark, and grammar, 1 mark. Now, friends, let's see the main parts of formal letter. Here are the main parts of formal letter: sender's address, date, receiver's address, subject, salutation, body of the letter, closing. Now let's see what precautions should be do while writing the formal letter. Starts from sender's address. Separate each line by comma. Give proper punctuation marks while writing sender's address. Address should not be more than 4 lines. It is not necessary to write down the sender's address within 4 lines. But it is my personal advice that you should write your address in 4 lines. And don't forget to write the date. Receiver's address. Leave 1 blank line after sender's address. Don't write long receiver's address. Write 2. Then write designation. Before designation, write the. For example, the principal, the police commissioner, like this. Use proper punctuation marks while writing receiver's address. Now, the next is subject. Leave 1 blank line and then write subject from margin. Start the subject with before. It should not be longer one. Then there is salutation. Before writing salutation, leave one blank line. And there are two ways of writing salutation. You can write either respected or dear these words while writing salutation. Respected sir or madam. Dear sir or madam. And here the main body of the letter starts. Before starting the main body of the letter, don't forget to leave one blank line. Use official words and perfect sentence in main body of the letter. The main body of the letter contains 3 paragraphs generally. First paragraph is a brief self-introduction and reason for writing the letter. Start to write first paragraph from the margin. 2 to 3 lines are expected to write down in first paragraph. Then once again leave one blank line and start your second paragraph from margin. Second paragraph is the elaboration of the purpose of writing a letter. It should be within 5 to 6 lines. Again leave one blank line and start your third paragraph from margin. Third paragraph is the hope note. 2 to 3 lines are expected to write down in third paragraph. Then once again leave one blank line and closing end thanking you with these words. Again leave one blank line and there is the closing salutation. The closing salutation you can write 3 ways. For all type of formal letters, you can use yours sincerely, this closing salutation. If you are writing a letter to your employer or an owner, then you can use yours faithfully, this closing salutation. And yours obediently, this closing salutation is applicable when you are writing a letter to principal or the teachers. In this way, you can write the formal letter. Now let's see informal letter. Informal letters main parts are sender's address and date, salutation, main body of the letter and closing. Sender's address is same as you are writing the sender's address in formal letter. Separate each line by comma. Give proper punctuation marks. Address should not be more than 4 lines. Don't forget to write date. Here are 2 ways of writing date is given. Then leave one blank line and salutation. In salutation, here also you can write respected or dear. Respected uncle, aunt or relatives when you are writing a letter to your uncle, aunt or relative. Use dear this word when you are writing a letter to your father, mother or friend. Leave one blank line and here the body of the letter starts of informal letter. In informal letter also you have to make 3 paragraphs and start your paragraph from margin. Leave one blank line and write down your first paragraph. The first paragraph is the reason for writing the letter. It should be within 2 to 3 lines. Second paragraph. Before starting second paragraph, don't forget to leave one blank line. In second paragraph, the second paragraph is the elaboration of the purpose of writing the letter. Again, leave one blank line and start your third paragraph. Third paragraph is giving regards. Then leave one blank line and there is closing end with the words thanking you. Leave one blank line and there is closing salutation. In closing salutation, use the words such as yours lovingly, yours sincerely, yours faithfully. Friends, here are some things to remember while letter writing. Write down the letter in block writing format only. Start to write the letter from margin. Leave a complete gap of one line between two paragraphs. You don't need to write real name or real address anywhere in the letter writing. The paragraphs should be connected. Use linking words or phrases like in addition to, though, moreover, not only but also, etc. Friends, I hope that you must have enjoyed my video and you learn certain things regarding letter writing. So keep on watching it. You all should take care of yourself and stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much, children.